Sevaro Fabulo Tassidile, welcome to Gourkhaland channel. This vlog is all about the counseling program at the AGS school Darjeeling held by Rotary Club Darjeeling.
Hotel manager and serving in a hotel, right? You want to do civil service. Civil service, ma'am will tell you, starts with people like her who are in the Indian Administrative Service and in Indian Foreign Service,
who have graciously joined us to guide our young minds today. A very special welcome to the students, the stars of today's event. We live in a world full of opportunities, but also a world where choices are many and sometimes confusing. Student counseling is a guiding light to help young people understand themselves better, explore the right career options, and make informed decisions and align with their interest, strength, and values. It's not just about choosing profession, it's about discovering a meaningful path, a purpose, and a life where they can thrive. If I may share a small personal reflection, back.
I'm expecting to hear a response. Hi everyone. Good, I'm glad that you just relax please. This is not an examination. I know you do your exams in this hall. Take a deep breath. Everybody, take a deep breath. Relax and enjoy this session and the session to follow, okay? I just want to ask you a very simple question. Why are we here today? Just tell me, why are we here today? Anyone? Come on, all of you are very bright sparks. All of you in class 10, right? Anybody here from class 9? No? All right. Everybody's from class 10. You're the bright sparks. Yes, there's a hand going up. Is your hand going up? Oh, you're cleaning your glasses. I'm sorry. Anyone, why are we here today? Take a guess. Don't feel shy. I'll tell you what. Information on what are you going to do means. What does this job involve? What do I have to study? What do I have to do? Where do I go to study? And here are experts this morning who will tell you not just what you study, where you study, how you study, and so on and so forth, but they will also tell you of their experiences in their career. And this is very important to know. Many of us, and I include myself, many of us take up careers based on two very important factors in our life. Two factors that mean the world to us. The first factor is parents. How many of you, those who raised your hand, are going to follow a career or thinking you will follow a career because your parents told you, do this? Raise your hand. Only one hand is going up very boldly. Don't tell me everybody else has made up their mind without consulting their parents. All right, I don't quite believe you. The fact is, parents have an idea. My daughter will be a doctor. My son will be an engineer. Or my daughter will become a lawyer. Or my son will become a teacher. Or whatever it is. And aspirations, but very often to advise you on what to do. Own experience of dealing with parents and children in school. Parents will tell you to follow a career which they themselves thought they dreamt about when they were in school and college, but could not achieve. And because they could not fulfill their own dreams, they would like to see their dreams fulfilled through you. So what will the parents say? Doctor bannu parsai. Or doctor bannu parsai. And then at the end, you realize that your chemistry mark fetch you a good college to become a doctor. Or you don't have the interest to become a doctor. The other factor I told you, there are two factors that influence your decision now. One is parents. The other are your friends. Your friends will say, get out. army join गर्नुपर्छ जाउँ. Whether you are fit enough to join the army or not, and they'll tell you that in a short while. Jaum. Right? Somebody wants to become a professor in college, like her. Do you know what it takes to become a professor? I know that. PhD गर्नुपर्छ. Ask her how difficult it is to do a PhD. Right? Don't be influenced. Definitely consult your parents. Please, I'm not saying don't talk to your parents. Talk to them. Talk to your friends. But the choice you make, you must make on the basis of your own strengths and skills, your own interests. And there's a very important word we use called career counseling, the word called aptitude. And I'll explain that word in a minute. Don't be influenced all the time by friends. I see a lot of people who said, school hotel management. There is a difference between becoming a hotel manager and serving in a hotel. Right? You want to do civil service. Civil service, ma'am will tell you, starts with people like her who are in the Indian Administrative Service and in Indian Foreign Service, to people who are, the ordinary police constable, the traffic constable you see on the road directing traffic, he's also a civil servant. What is it you want to be? I know your aspiration is not to become a traffic cop. You don't want to be that. You want to aspire to greater things. But what does it take? Do you have it in you? Just having interest is not good enough. Having interest is very important, but that's not good enough. Do you have the aptitude? What do I mean by aptitude? Do you have what it takes to become an army officer? Do you have it in you to become a sportsman or a journalist or a civil service officer, a cabin crew, a teacher in college, or a lawyer, or a teacher in school? Do you have it in you? When you look at your teachers and the best teachers you have, when you go to your class and you have the best teachers, you think teaching is so easy. But ask the teacher how he or she makes it so easy in class. As a teacher myself, and as a school principal, as a former school principal, I no longer am, as a former school principal, what happens is we get a lot of applications. The best thing you can do in life is then do B.Ed and become a teacher. Ma'am, sir, that will be their experience. Become a teacher. Pravesh. Alright? But to become a teacher in a classroom takes a lot of patience, takes a lot of training, takes a lot of studying. Coming to class prepared. So in other words, what I'm trying to tell you is, do you have the aptitude? Do you have the inner ability in you to become a teacher or a civil service officer or an army officer? Ask yourself the question. Nobody else, even your father, your mother, your friends won't be able to tell you that. But they can give you wrong guidance. So, a career counseling workshop like today's, the idea is for us to impart knowledge, information, right? And for you to take in that information so that you make good use of it. Is that clear? Am I making sense to you? What do I mean by information? Like I said before, you might want to know where to study. You might want to know what to study. You might want to know, do I have the skill sets to become any of these career choices that you're thinking? And you're very lucky because you are just in class 10. You can still make choices before you go into 11 and 12. And what's the wonderful choice?
Make sure that you study. Anytime you go out, you go to the bathroom, you breathe, you take water, you stop the time. So 14 to 15 hours is a solid 14 to 15 hours. It's not just a running time.
Thank you, ma'am.
And be with us and help the students. Thank you so much for your time. I would like to thank the administration.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like. If you like this video, subscribe, like, and comment, and share this video to the students.